Hi everybody, I'm Jill, the content manager for LovelySkin, and today we are unboxing something new from SkinCeuticals, the HA Intensifier Multi-Glycan Multi-Dimensional Volumizing Serum. This serum helps hydrate and instantly plump skin, one of the many advantages of hyaluronic acid. It prevents the degradation of natural hyaluronic acid levels to minimize the appearance of volume loss and wrinkling. So here's why it's different. It's built off the technology from SkinCeuticals' iconic hyaluronic acid intensifier serum to provide benefits beyond that of hyaluronic acid. The new formula combines 3 types of HA: low molecular, high molecular, and acetylated. It has been physician tested to complement in-office treatments like dermal fillers, but can be used alone if you don't get or want fillers. It increases glycans, also known as glycans. So what are glycans? Hyaluronic acid is skin's most abundant glycan, and it declines with age. Glycans are naturally occurring compounds that hydrate and provide structural support, contributing to a plump and youthful look. The new formula has a more lightweight texture that's great for layering. It also contains 12% Proxylane compared to 10% in the original to support skin's firmness, fullness, and density. Thanks for watching today. I can't wait for you to try the new SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier Multi-Glycan Multi-Dimensional Volumizing Serum. For more product unboxings, tutorials, and education, like and subscribe to the LovelySkin YouTube channel. Bye.